Under the radiant lights of a bustling city, a tiny hero emerged, Spidey Baby. With his pajama-like costume and web shooters slightly too large for his tiny wrists, Spidey Baby was ready to swing into action. His playground was the sprawling New York skyline, his mission unknown to the adults around him, but clear as day to his infant heart. One bright morning, while perched on the corner of a building, Spidey Baby spotted a colorful balloon floating away, a young girl's tears trailing behind it. Determined to retrieve it, Spidey Baby launched an itty-bitty web to give chase. His tiny webs attached to the towering skyscrapers, propelling him through the air with an innocence tinged with the thrill of adventure. Whizzing past bewildered pigeons and baffled onlookers, Spidey Baby's mission faced its first challenge, a cluster of menacing clouds. As raindrops started to fall, his petite body somersaulted, dodging each drop like a seasoned acrobat. His giggles echoed through the air, mixing with the patter of the rain, as his determination never wavered. Just as the runaway balloon drifted towards a jagged rooftop, Spidey Baby stretched his limits, sending a web that grasped the balloon's string. With a triumphant squeal, he tugged it free. The balloon was safe, its multicolored vibrancy contrasting the gray skies. But the adventure was not over. On his way back, Spidey Baby noticed a group of huddled ducklings trapped in a drain. His tiny but mighty heart couldn't leave them stranded. Using his web, he created a net, carefully lifting the ducklings to safety. They waddled off, quacking their gratitude, leaving Spidey Baby feeling like the tiniest giant in the world. As he returned to ground level, the young girl's eyes lit up seeing her balloon, her tears replaced with joy. With a small wave and a shy smile, Spidey Baby handed it back. The city might have been big, but to its smallest hero, it was just the right size for big adventures. Spidey Baby, with a heart as pure as the sky after a storm, had turned an ordinary day into something extraordinary.